people! Today at Kirpatrick Kitchen we're making chocolate mini cocoa donuts. They're really, really good. So to make these donuts, these chocolate mini cocoa donuts, we're going to preheat the oven to 375 degrees. We're going to combine flour, sugar, cocoa powder, and baking soda in a mixing bowl. Mix it really good, really good. Set it aside. In a separate bowl, we're going to mix vanilla, eggs, one egg, just one, heavy cream, a little bit of heavy cream, milk, and olive oil. Put it in a bowl. Oh, sorry, vegetable oil. We don't want olive oil, it's too strong. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. Mix it, mix it, mix it. That's the secret part of this recipe. You have to mix that one so good. Just mix and mix and mix. When your arm gets tired, switch to the other arm, mix some more, mix some more, mix some more, mix some more. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. Put it aside. Now, we're going to add that wet mixture into the dry mixture. Mix it more. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. Just mix it, mix it. It's a good workout, really. You're probably going to burn more calories than the donut if you eat one. Then, we're going to pipe it into these little trays we got. Little trays to make it into a perfect ball. Only half fill it. You got to remember, only half full because it's going to double in size. Half fill it. Put the top of the mold on, put it in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. You can put a toothpick in to check it, but usually 10 to 15 minutes you're usually pretty good. Now, the chocolate glaze. This is what I was talking about earlier. Mix it. Don't forget, mix, 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 mix. You gotta mix so good. So, in another bowl, combine all these ingredients. The glaze should have a thick consistency, not too runny, so if it's a little thick, you can put a little bit of extra icing sugar in to thin it out a little bit. But for the butternut topping, you know, same thing. Mix it all in the bowl. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. Don't be afraid to mix it. You cannot over mix it. Mix it, mix it, mix it. If you think it's mixed enough, mix it 3 times more.
Always remember to tap your spoon.
And if you're putting coloring in there, keep mixing until the food coloring is consistent. You know, it's not blotchy. It's, you know, spread out. It's good. You know, mix it. The food coloring is optional. I prefer just to have the white. You know, you're putting coconut in there, it looks white. This turned out a little bit pink, but it's supposed to be orange. It's hard to get food coloring right. So white is good for me, but pink, orange, any color you want. You know, whatever you want. So now you take the glazed donuts, dip it in the glaze, roll it around, get a nice thick coating on there. Really coat them. Like, if you think it's enough, it's not enough. Just keep them in. These donuts, they're they're not delicate as you think, you know. You can roll them around in there pretty good. They don't break apart. Be delicate a little bit, but you know, they're not so fragile. Like a baby or anything. They're like a 5-year-old, not just a newborn baby. And now you take them off the rack. Put them right onto the coconut plate, on the coconut topping. Roll them around in the bowl somewhat delicately, and you know, get a little bit on there. You don't want too much. You can see right here. You know, it is enough. It's good. You just want the extra little bit of taste on there because you got butter and coconut and a little bit of icing sugar in there too. It's good, really good. And that's it. You just roll them around, put your topping on, put them onto another pan, some parchment paper. There you go. That's it.
Need some milk.
I'm gonna try one. One more. Good delicious.
We're done. My first ever Timbits or Munchkins.
See you on the next. Oh wow. Why is my bacon so good? Good job.